Good morning. Welcome to Coaching Math. I'm Coach Mac. How's everybody doing today? Hope you had a good day. Alright, we're going to get started right now. Okay, I'm motivated, ready to go. Motivated means that you have an enthusiastic attitude to what you have to do. Okay, today we are going to continue with the number threes, and we're going to do multiplication, and we're going to do about 8 and 9 problems, so you get a good workout today. Alright, I just went on a good workout today, 1.5 mile walk. I do it about 3 times a week with my weights. My weights are 15 pounds each side, power walking. I really enjoy it. I think that a coach should be in good shape because a coach sets the example for the players. So if the coach wants the players to be in good shape, I believe that the coach needs to work and ensure that he's physically fit as well. I think it's only fair. Okay, now, what do we have to do now? What's one of our daily routines? You guessed it. Move the coin with the number on it and place it down to the side. Okay, now, our first, and then what's our next routine? Do I get ready, do I go now, go in and get ready to do a math problem? Is that next part of the routine? No, you're right, correct. Next part is the word of the day. So, do I have a word of the day? Yes, I sure do. I have a word of the day. I want you to listen up to this one very carefully. The word of the day is attitude. The word of the day is attitude. Now, I want to talk about, real quick, we talk about attitude. I consider there to be 4 kinds of attitude. 1, good attitude, great attitudes. 2, good attitudes. Fair attitudes and poor attitudes. A great attitude means that you are highly motivated and you are committed to doing as much as you can, not just enough to get by. You're not satisfied. Okay? A good attitude is basically that, okay, you've exceeded the standards and you do a little bit more than the standards. A fair attitude is basically kind of like, oh well, you know, I guess, you know, I'm just kind of like, I'm on the fence type thing, you know, that's a fair attitude. Of course, the poor attitude is the kind of attitude that will land you a free pass to the principal's office. Okay, now, good example. Now, let's say, for instance, your attitude toward math. If you walk into class on a Monday morning saying, oh man, here we go, math again. Oh, I wonder if we're going to have homework. Wonder how much homework. I hope we don't have to do a lot of counting today. I really don't feel like doing that today. Then you come in with a bad attitude. But you come in with an attitude charged up. Well, I'm going to learn something today. I'm going to learn something today, and I'm going to take it home to my parents and let them know what I learned today. Oh, I'm good at math. Now I'm going to help someone else with math if the teacher allowed me to. You know, just come in with a good attitude. You come in with an attitude that, oh man, you know, this is going to be boring. I just know it's going to be boring. Then you're coming in with a bad attitude. So, you want to come into class with a good attitude, okay? Attitude that you're going to learn something and that you're going to help someone else as well. The attitude that you're going to be good in class and you're going to help the teacher as well, okay? So, a good attitude makes a better environment. The better the attitudes are, the better the environment will be. You walk into class with a bad attitude, you throwing your pencil around, boy, the teacher may not be happy with that. And you may cause her attitude to shift in another gear, high gear. And that won't be good for the class, okay? With a bad attitude, you probably won't get no treat from the teacher. Well, wait a minute, you get a treat, but your treat will probably be extra homework, you know, or like you say, a free pass to the principal's office. So, I suggest that you have, now, if you have a poor attitude, you obviously need to work on your attitude to get it better. If you have a fair attitude, then a fair attitude is not exactly passing. That means that there's a lot of work that you can still do in your attitude. You need to do it. If you have a good attitude, keep that good attitude, but don't let that good attitude become a fair attitude. Work to make that good attitude a great attitude, and a great attitude makes for a great environment. Okay, so have a great attitude. All right, now we're going to go into our math. Our first math problem is going to be 3 times 1. 3 times 1. 3 times 1, I'm going to make it very simple. I'm just going to pick out one ball. There's one ball here, and we know 3 times 1 is what? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, a little bit easier. Alright, next one is going to be 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 3 times 2, you might want to write down your paper. 3 times 2. Okay? Now, so how many balls I'm going to need? I'm going to need two sets of 3s. Okay, so I'm going to pick these 3 balls up, and we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 times 2, the answer is 6. Now, 3 times, next thing will be 3 times 4. 3 times 4. That means I'm going to need 4 sets, I'm going to need 4 sets of balls. 4 sets of them, okay? 4 sets of 3s. Alright. Now, so, what I'm going to do now, 1, pick up 2, I'm going to move some of these around. That'd be better, because I want to make sure you get all of the help you can, because your teachers really want you to know this math. Okay. 3 times 4, right? So I have 4 groups of 3s. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that must mean that 3 times 4 is, you guessed it, you smart kids, 12. Oh, I had this one twice. Okay. Next one is going to be 3 times 5. 3 times 5. So that I had 4 sets out, right? How many sets of 3s I need to put out this time? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we're gonna have to add one more set of 3s, right? Correct. I know you guys knew that. Students are pretty smart. Okay. Now, you have 3 sets of 5. Each group of 3. So how many sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to count these by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. Now the next one is going to be 3 times 6. So I have one more set of ball. The teacher can use this sometime at school, and maybe it'll help them out a little bit. Or maybe you students studying at home can help you a whole lot better when you get in class. You can learn so much that you may be able to help the teacher out. Be the teacher's aid to help some other students out. Okay? Remember, helping is important too. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Okay? 3 times 6. And I gotta get my ink pen here because I didn't write the answer for that one down. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Okay. So we need 6 sets. Nope. Yep. Okay. Yep. 3 times 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 groups of 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 3 times 6, the answer is 18. We're going to go straight to 3 times 8. We're going to skip. So now we have 3 times 8. So I got to put how many more sets? How many more sets of 3s? I need 2 more sets of 3s. That's 1. That's 2. So now we have 8 sets of 3s out there, okay? 8, see, 3 times 8, 8 sets of 3s. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, 3 times 8 is 24. Now, next one's going to be 3 times 9. So I have to add 1 more set of balls. 1 more set. First I'm going to count to make sure I have 9 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sets. 3 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So, 3 times 9 is 27. Alright. Okay, I'm fired up. Motivated today. Alright. Now, next one's going to be 3 times 11. So I got to put 11 sets of 3s up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many more sets of 11 how many more sets of 3s do I have to put up? Think for a minute. You're correct. I need 2 more sets. 1 on this side and another on this side. Okay. Okay, now, first we're going to do, okay, 3 times 11, so I need 11 sets of 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 sets of 3s is what we have here. Okay. 3 times 11, right? 3 times 11 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 3 times 11 is going to be 33 is your answer. Okay. 1 more to go. Alright. Last one is 3 times 12. So how many more sets did you put up? You guessed it, 1. Okay. Now the last one, we're going to count it by 3 instead, okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 sets of 3s. And we're going to count this last one by 3, okay? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So, 3 times 12 is, so 3 times 12, the answer is going to be 36. All right, we are finished. Okay, now, we finished it for the day, and I hope you have enjoyed multiplication, and I hope you have a great weekend until we meet again. And remember, play ball.